Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how you can easily withdraw money from Worldcoin app to Binance. So to get started with the easy workaround and the best method you can use to withdraw money from your Worldcoin app to Binance. So the first thing to do is to open the Word app, then sign in to your wallet balance and tap withdraw. So what that is done, to get Binance deposit address, so open your Binance account, then tap the wallet, then click deposit, then from there search for WLD, which is word, then choose the Optimum Open Network and copy the deposit address in your Binance. Then paste the address in Word app, then back in Word app, select the same Open Network, then paste the Binance address, enter the amount and confirm. Then after that, send a test amount first. So transfer a small amount of word to make sure it arrives correctly. So once that is done, you can now complete the full transfer after confirming the test and repeat the process with your full word balance. So when that is done, your Worldcoin token will show in Binance and ready to trade or convert to cash. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.